We digressed.
I think we will digress. Yeah.
Well, let's bring us back on track then, Tony.
Yeah.
On Veterinary Ramblings, we've got a well-established part of the show we call 60-second CPD.
All right.
So, Herr Professor Dr. Professor Tony Booker, you want to talk about turmeric?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, Tony Booker, welcome to 60-second CPD. You have 60 seconds talking about turmeric starting now.
Hey, so turmeric is a very interesting herb. It's actually, the Latin name is Curcuma longa, although it does have a very closely related species, Curcuma aromatica, and they're only really differentiated by the number of curcuminoids that each one possesses. But the thing about turmeric is they're not all the same. Some contain very high in essential oils, some are very high in curcuminoids, and so they're very different varieties. And people take them mainly for anti-inflammatory action. The main problem with turmeric is it's not very bioavailable, but you can increase the bioavailability through introducing piperine. And this was known a very long time ago because people took it with black pepper. By taking piperine, you actually increase the glucuronic acid conjugation in phase 2 liver metabolism, and your body is able to accept it a lot better.
Wow. And that was spot on. That was absolutely spot
Excellent.
on. So essentially you're saying, if you want to get the best out of turmeric, put a bit of pepper in it.
Yeah, and if you notice, I mean, I don't want to brag, but since I did my PhD, post-Booker PhD, there were no products on the market with added pepper, pre-Booker PhD, but post-Booker PhD, nearly every turmeric product you Google on the internet has piperine added, or pepper added, and piperine is the from either black pepper or long pepper is the main ingredient. And traditionally, people would add black pepper to the turmeric. And as I say, it does inhibit glucuronic acid conjugation, and so bioavailability in theory should be better, even though there's not really good evidence to show that happens. But when you'll notice turmeric products, they're just full of either added pepper or pepper. But it's a good idea, it may be why pepper was such a sought after product, if it does have this effect of effectively increasing the bioavailability of different foods.